Welcome back to this Nearpod series. In our previous video, we started by creating slides here on Nearpod, and we'll just continue from where we left off. So this was the lesson we created. So we'll go back and edit it. So if you just hover with your mouse over your lesson, you will see the edit option bottom left. Click on edit, and all you simply need to do is just click on the add content and activities option. Now the previous lesson we used this option. In this lesson we're just simply going to click on this and we'll see what the difference is between this one and the previous one. Now, this is a more classical version of slides here on Nearpod, and you'll see that it has almost the same thing as the previous one, but it has fewer options with background at the bottom. As you can see here, it still gives you the same option. So if you like, let me just say waterfall, and I could just change this. So my background, I have this beautiful waterfall, and I'll name my lesson waterfall. And if I want to insert an audio file, I can do that, or I can simply record here. I will not be doing that now. And if I'm done with this, all I simply need to do is preview it if I want to, just to see what it looks like. And this is what my lesson looks like. And this is just one slide. So if I save and exit here, it will tell me that, yes, do I want this theme because I changed the theme? I'll say yes, and it brings me back here, and I can add another slide page if I want to by just simply saying add new, and I can go to this option here and just play around with this. This is pretty straightforward. Okay, so that is all for this lesson. And when it comes to, just one more thing, when it comes to layouts, you can just simply play around with this. Of course, title, you can see it has title and two elements here, and you can drag and drop, you can put in text. You can see this is the text option. You just click on the plus button. You can put in your videos from YouTube if you want to. I'll just say help, and just put in the Beatles song help. Okay, and see how it fits in there, and so on. So save and exit. So now I have 4 slides created for my lesson. Okay, so I'll save. If I want to preview my entire lesson, I can just simply click on preview here, but I won't be doing that for now. Okay, so I'll stop this lesson here, and the next lesson we'll look at another we'll look at another feature, which is interactive videos.